So Transgrid's the high voltage transmission provider for New South Wales. We made the move about 6 months after we had unbudgeted expenditure as a result of an Oracle audit. We decided we were getting rid of Oracle eBiz. Oracle wasn't a strategic direction for us. We'd just done the ERP upgrade, application upgrade, so we weren't going to be driven into a database version upgrade anytime soon. So we thought this was a good fit for us. It is what it says on the box. You give your Oracle maintenance invoices over and Rimini Street says, fine, we'll charge you half. You then get a dedicated support engineer, 10, 15 years in the business, knows the technical side very well. What their job is to pick up and own your support issues. And they've done that for us over the last 4 years. Rimini pioneered third-party support in many ways and fought the good fight in the courts to establish third-party support as a legitimate business model.